It's not a good day. The O1's battery's dead, so just charging it up. That's my cat yelling at us. Not sure what its problem is here. It's not that old of a battery. I think it is honestly. How did I get this one? Like December 2017. Wow, what's today's date? Oh well, I guess it'll be 5 years old this fall. So maybe it is dead. I don't know. Not good. All right, turning this thing off. It doesn't seem to want to take a charge or anything. So that's unfortunate. Not sure we can blame Sleepy Joe for this, but we might as well. It's very unhappy. It's at 0.9 volts, so that's pretty dead. I think the charger is saying, listen pal, you might need a new battery. Sure seems that way. Usually it starts charging by now, so well, I don't know what's going on here. Let's switch to modes because I'm getting impatient. That's my cat yelling. Well, look at that, we're up to 4 volts, 3.9. Still analyzing. Pretty sure it needs to be charged, so maybe the charger could start, I don't know, charging? Let's try that. All right, stay tuned. Chances are I'll be getting a new battery. It's not just me, but anytime I get a new battery, I like to test the voltage on it. See what we're at. I don't know if I can do that with one hand. Let's see. So 12.37. So let's plug this bad boy in here. I always like to top it off as well. So bear with me as I put this phone down here. Plug this charger in. Let's see what it says. This is an AGM. Oops. That's a DieHard Platinum, actually. So let's see what it's at. 12.2. But I usually like to charge them up before I put them into the vehicle. Apparently today it's in a bad mood. Let's see what it says. All right, this charger's driving me nuts today. This is for the O1 Jeep, which is not being very nice to me this week. 60%. So you buy a brand new battery, it sits on the shelf for like 6 months. You take it home and it's at 60%. So I'm going to turn this off because this might be a while before I install it. So I'll have to tune back in. That's going to be at least 20 minutes. Yep. Well, the display just went out. Hold on, let's see if I can get it back on for you. So it's probably been 20 minutes. Now it's up to 92%. So usually this charger makes more noise when it's working, so I'm not sure what it's doing today. Seems like it's going to be one of those days, apparently. I'm not sure why. So let's give it another 5 minutes or 10 minutes before I pop it back in the Jeep. All right, so sorry about that. I didn't actually get the installation process, but I'm pretty sure you know how to install a battery. So just make sure it's tight. See if it's alive. So I'd like to know why the hell it died in the first place. All right, the Jeep's alive. I wouldn't mind knowing why the hell the battery went dead in the first place. I don't know. Yes, the oil pressure gauge doesn't work. I just haven't felt like spending $60 on a new one. So, all right, I'm gonna close the hood, take it for a spin, go get my voltage meter, see what the alternator's doing. So that's it for now. I don't know, it seems like the alternator's happy. So I guess that old battery just up and died. 14.4 volts. So let's see how long this battery lasts. All right, that's it. Sign off from the 01. Sure, never really sure how accurate this thing is, but sometimes you just press the buttons and see what it says. I can't see what the hell it says right now. Well, we're moving up, waiting in line for gas here. Hopefully there's a Sleepy Joe sticker on the pump. This makes my day. Yeah, so explain this one. So not only is gas expensive, but you gotta wait in line to get it now too. Like, what's up with that? It's like, it's bad enough that you're paying $4.47 a gallon or whatever the heck it is. Now you're gonna wait here and idle away even more fuel. It doesn't make any sense. Look at this. This is crazy. Pure madness. Pure madness.